Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. If you aren't already a subscriber, I'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos that are beauty and makeup related, or otherwise just kind of lifestyle related. But yeah, I am super excited for today's video. So I did just film my massive Ulta holiday haul, and I am just kind of rolling on into the next video, and today's video is going to be the NYX Diamonds and Ice Please Advent Calendar. This baby is massive, and I am super excited to take a look and see what's in here. It does tell you on the back everything that you receive in this box, which is nice if you want to make sure you're going to get good use out of the Advent calendar. Kind of a bummer if you really want to be like surprised by what's in there. I'm kind of in the middle. I don't really want to like look at everything specifically of what I'm getting, and I like to be surprised, but at the same time I'm also very impatient when it comes to Advent calendars, so I do sometimes like want to take a little peek. That is actually one of the best parts about doing an Advent calendar opening on camera. You get to open all of it in one go, so I am excited to get started. I do believe I'm gonna have some issues with my nails. I did just open an Ulta Advent calendar where it had like all these little cute boxes to open, and oh my gosh, it took me forever just because I didn't want to ruin my nails and I didn't want to ruin the boxes. So hopefully this won't be as bad, and I'm not too worried about ruining this box because it's not like a display box or anything like that. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is everything. This is what I don't even know if you can hear me over there. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, and I'm just going to start opening them. All right, they do go in order, so we're going to start with day number 1. So this isn't actually too bad to open. So we'll open up little door number 1, and we have a matte lipstick. See, I don't know how I'm going to do this in a way that you guys can see everything. Rather than hold it up while I open, which I always see people doing and it works so nicely, I think I'm just going to open it up while it's down here and then show you guys what's inside, just because if I'm back there, it's going to be hard to show you guys what I got. I'd have to be like switching back and forth. That's a lot of work. So the first item I received is the matte lipstick. Does it have a shade? Perfect Red. And it's just a mini. It's not like a full-size lipstick. It's just a mini lipstick, but it is a very nice red shade. So super cute. I'm not going to be testing all of this. Some of it might be going into a future giveaway, and some of it I just may want to try it another time. Probably won't be doing much of a like try on with this video. I did mention in my last video that for the month of December I am going to be doing a giveaway. I wanted to wait till I hit 100 subscribers, but I'm also impatient and I love the holidays. I love like the act of gift giving, so I am going to be doing at least one holiday giveaway. So if you aren't already subscribed, I would go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to know when that giveaway drops. But yeah, so some of this might find its way into that giveaway. Just fair warning. So that lipstick is super cute. I do love a good red. I will try it in the future, but just not right this second. All right, we're gonna go into door number 2. We're tearing up a little bit of the box. This is a long boy. This is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I really haven't tried a lot of NYX items. I've tried like lip liners. I think I may have like a few of their lipsticks and a couple items, but I haven't tried a lot of them. So I definitely haven't tried this illuminator. Oh, it's already like coming out a little bit. It's like a super pinky, I will try this, super pinky highlight basically. I'll do a quick little swatch on my hand. It's really pretty. It just catches the light nicely. So that would be definitely a nice highlighter. All right, door number 3. All right, so we have a soft matte lip cream. This is in shade Cans. I actually may have this color. Let me check real quick. If I have it, this is going in a future giveaway. Yes, I do have this shade already, so this will go in a future giveaway. All right, door number 4. Have you guys ever been, I don't know, I know they are in some states, but it started in Illinois. Have you guys been to Portillo's? So basically when you like are inside eating, that you have like a number, and then when they call your number, they like rhyme it. So it'd be like door number 3, what could it be? Or door number 4, don't hit the floor, or something like that. So maybe I'll do that on these. So door number 4, don't hit the floor. Ooh, this is super pretty. This is a glam purple eyeshadow. Oh, I love this color. I for sure will be using this. That is so pretty. And it is my favorite color. All right, door number 5. Get ready to jive. Ooh, this is exciting. So this is the hashtag This Is Everything lip scrub. I am due for a good lip scrubbing. I feel like in the winter especially, my lips get kind of dry. Let's see what this smells like. It has a nice scent to it, and it's just like really pretty pink. So I'm excited to try this one out. All right, door number 6, get ready to take some pics. I promise I won't do this for all 24 of these. All right, we have the NYX Butter Gloss. This is a really pretty shade. This is in shade Angel Food Cake. That's really nice. It's kind of like a nice mauve-y color. All right, that I am keeping for myself. Door number 7, feels like heaven. All right, we've got another eyeshadow. Again, a really pretty shade. This is in Crystal. They like put really nice shades in here. This isn't like the nobody wants these. These are like legit. All right, door number 8, don't be late. All right, so we've got the hashtag This Is Everything lip oil. So this must be like the after you do the scrub, you put this oil on. It has a nice scent. It kind of smells like the other one. It's just, yeah, it's just a clear oil. So definitely going to be trying that out after I do the scrub. Door number 9, how divine. God, I'm so cheesy sometimes. All right, so we have a This Is Everything lip oil again. So this is another one. This one, I wonder if this is tinted. I'm going to look at them side by side, because it has a different thing on it. Oh yeah, this is sheer blush, and this is sheer. So maybe what I'll do, let me look at this one. I think what I'll do is put the sheer blush in the giveaway pile, and then I'll keep the sheer. All right, door number 10. I'm not going to undo it anymore because I don't want to think of them anymore. All right, so now we have another Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is in shade Gleam. I actually think I would like this one better than the one I already tried, because the one I tried is a little more pinky. I mean, I don't think it'd be that big of a difference. So I'm going to put the Gleam one into the future giveaway. Door number 11, we have another soft matte lip cream. This is in shade Rome. This is a really pretty color. I, again, may already have this, so let me take a look. No, I have Monte Carlo and Copenhagen. So these are the ones I have, so this is a little different. I am going to keep this one. This is a really pretty color. All right, number 12. We're halfway done. That was a tough one to get out. So this is the hashtag This Is Everything Lip Loving Balm. So this is a lip balm, and I love lip balms. I am very addicted to lip balms. Maybe one of these days I'll do a video just on the lip products I have, because they are plentiful. So this is probably what you would put on after the scrub, and then the lip oil is probably what you would put on like if you were going out somewhere, because it's a little bit more of a gloss compared to lip balm. All right, door number 13. Ooh, this will be fun to try. This is the HD finishing powder. So it's like a translucent finishing powder. Excited to try that one. Number 14, we've got another matte lipstick that again looks like a color I would like. So this is the matte lipstick in shade Natural. And yeah, this looks like it'll be a really good nude color for me. Very nice. I'm really impressed so far. I mean, everything that I have opened, I've been like wanting to try. And the ones that I've put off to the side are either like duplicates in a different shade or something I already had. So this is a good advent calendar. I want to say this was maybe 55. All right, we have another butter gloss. This is in shade Creme Brulee. I think this will go into the giveaway pile since I did already keep the angel food cake one. So that's going there. Number 16, another eyeshadow, again in a very beautiful color. This is like a super gorgeous coppery gold. That is beautiful. I might do a little swatch of this one. Yeah, that is nice. This is a really good advent calendar. Is this a dual? A second one of the same thing I just tried? Bronzed Goddess. Golden Bronze. These are so similar. I mean, like, there's no way. One's just a little deeper. So the one I swatched was Golden Bronze. I'll hold on to that, and then I will put the Bronze Goddess in the giveaway. Door 18, we're getting close. Ooh. It's gonna be another one to keep because I'm gonna love this color. This is the NYX Matte Lipstick in Siren, and this is a beautiful, deep, purpley, like burgundy-ish shade. That is right up my alley. Okay, number 19. Oh, we got another lipstick. This is in shade Whipped Caviar. Now this is really nice too. A nice neutral. Let me look at the other one that was kind of neutral. I may want this one instead. Again, they're very similar. I think I'm going to go with Whipped Caviar because it's a little less pinky for myself. And put the other one in the giveaway pile. All right, we're on to number 20. We're real close now, guys. All right, we have another eyeshadow. Again, it's such a beautiful color. This is in Rose Gold. And that is, again, right up my alley. My favorite color is purple, but it also leans towards like burgundy. So it's like purple or burgundy I'm just in love with. All right, 21. All right, we have an eyeshadow primer. It's the HD Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. That's exciting. I have not tried their eyeshadow primer. I haven't tried really many of these things, so I'm excited to try this one out. All right, 22. Ooh, another shadow. This is probably going to go in the giveaway. It's a little bright gold. This is Antique Gold. I have similar colors to this, and I have a highlighter from Fenty Beauty that is very similar to this shade, so I'm gonna pass on this one, but it's very pretty. All right, 23, we got another butter gloss. Again, very pretty. This is in shade Tiramisu. This is gonna go in the giveaway. It is very nice, but I already have a couple of glosses, and I have so many other glosses that I don't need another one. So, all right, we're on 24. It's our last one of the box. This is the NYX Pore Filler Primer Base. Super excited to try this out. I'm always on the hunt for a good primer. I have a few that I really like, but I am all about the pore filling ones, so I am excited to try this. I wonder if this would be comparable to the Benefit Porefessional one, so kind of excited to try this guy out. All right, I mean, that's it. This box is wrecked. I did not hold back. This was actually an awesome advent calendar. I liked pretty much everything that was in here. There was only a couple of shades that I wasn't too sure about, but it's no big deal because that's just going to go into giveaway pile, and I'm sure one of you guys is going to love it. But yeah, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the 24 are going in giveaway, and the rest I am keeping to try out. This was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have more advent calendar and holiday videos planned and coming up. And then, like I mentioned earlier, in December, I'm going to have at least one giveaway for the holidays. I would like to do more than one, but it is something I've never done before, and I want to make sure I'm doing everything legally and make sure I'm doing it correctly. So it may be a lot to just do the one. But if it ends up being pretty easy and not a big deal, then I will for sure do more than one. I have to decide if I want to keep it for the US only, just based on like what shipping would cost. But honestly, it's the holidays. If I have to spend more for shipping, it's not a huge deal. So as long as legally I can do it in other countries, then I will. Like I said, I'm still researching all of that part. So, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post beauty videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and then lifestyle videos on Fridays. Moving forward, they're probably all going to be beauty videos until after the holidays, just so I can show you guys all the cool holiday kits and do some like really nice holiday looks for you. But yeah, I am looking forward to seeing you guys next time, and I cannot wait. Bye!